Are you looking for the best budget welding helmets? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best welding helmets with pump on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Antra AH6 Welding Helmet. Starting right off the bat with the best budget-friendly welding helmet coming with close to perfect optical clarity and auto-darkening lens. Antra AH6 has 1/1/1/2 visibility with a fixed shade 13 for IR/UV rays and a shade range of 4/5-9/9-13 for visible lights. The cool thing about this is that it weighs light, only 1 pound, but covers your neck, face, and head fully. Being solar powered, it works for a long time. Moreover, you get an indicator to see how much battery is left to ensure you are always set for welding. In addition to all that, it has 4 arc sensors, however, it does not provide an accurate color view. You may also check, Best TIG Welding Helmet. That's not all, Antra AH6 has adjustable headgear that perfectly fits different head sizes. Alongside, it has an automatic on and off option for convenience. Also, for extra comfort, it has external grind mode access. The delay and sensitivity settings are located on the welding helmet's inner side. Lastly, the viewing area is not that large but focuses solely on welding material. At number 2. Yeswelder LYG-M800H. Yeswelder LYG-M800H is one of the best welding helmets because of its superior comfort and reliability due to accurate color technology, 3 different modes, shade 16, and cheating lens compatibility. This is an auto-darkening welding helmet, and the lens has a shade range of 9 to 13. The 4 arc sensor increases its value for its cost. It has adjustable delay sensors along with sensitivity settings that react quickly. This makes it usable in various welding types, including TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications. You get an actual color view, and the lens minimizes the green color tint while protecting your eyes. Aside from that, the visibility area is perfect for all types of welding. Next, let us briefly tell you about the 3 modes it features, and you can switch between them only by one toggle. The 3 mods, namely, cut, weld, and grind. The shade changes according to the mode that you set. Also, it features external settings, which makes it easy to switch between modes. Other than that, it has incredibly comfortable headgear that fits perfectly to head sizes. As it covers every part from your neck to your head, this is highly secure. Lastly, the Yeswelder manufacturers provide a storage bag, 3 replaceable lenses, and 1 lithium-ion battery for your ease. At number 3. Yeswelder EH091XL Welding Helmet. Yeswelder EH091XL is a heavy-duty helmet with a weight of 2.07 pounds and is highly recommended for DIYers or hobbyists looking for the best budget welding helmet. You can switch to grind mode along with easily changing delay, shade, and sensitivity controls. Having all this on the outside of the welding helmet makes it highly advantageous for the welder. The most attractive thing about this model is its perfect optical clarity of 1/1/1/1 and low maintenance. It's also compatible with various cheating lenses and has a large viewing range of size 4x3.7 with 4 premium sensors. Keep in mind that it's made up of plastic, so it may not be for long-term use and needs careful handling. Other than that, it is ideal and comes with 4 high-quality sensors. The switching speed is speedy of less than 1/30,000 seconds. In addition to that, it has a fixed shade of 3, but it can change within the range of 4 to 13 depending on visible lights. It is solar powered, and the battery is also long-lasting, with 3,000 hours of average life. The view while welding is highly visible, and it reduces the green tint that is produced by traditional welding helmets. Lastly, the headgear is also cozy and lightweight and features an oversized cushion that keeps your head comfortable while working. At number 4. DEKPRO Welding Helmet. DEKPRO MZ225 Auto-Darkening Hood Welding Helmet meets standards of ANSI safety and is highly recommended for industrial use. This means that it ensures total safety and has 1/2/1/2 optical clarity that minimizes strain on eyes while welding. As it is solar powered, it is energy effective and can work for up to 5,000 hours. In addition to that, it comes with shade range April 9, 13 and shade 16 as resting shade. Considering the switching time, I was highly impressed by its speed, and it switches at a great speed of 1/25,000 when exposed to UV or IR rays. Moreover, you get clear visibility along with easy-to-use sensitivity and delay control adjustments. The auto-darkening filter lens provides perfect shade from widespread different lights during welding all types of materials. This is the reason that this welding helmet is perfect for industrial use like repairing vehicles, cars, and in food industries as well. Moving on to the weight and design, it does not disappoint you and comes with a lightweight of 1.21 pounds. You can work for long hours and will not feel fatigued as it is light and well padded on the neck. Along with that, you can easily adjust to different head sizes due to adjustable headgear. Lastly, the design is flashy with a big eagle image printed on it, so the fun-loving people really go crazy with this funky design.